Ordered data handling can be done by using objects, nested objects, arrays, name-value pair structure. The correct answer is arrays. Objects in JSON are primarily used to handle ordered data, unordered data, sequential data, separators. The correct answer is unordered data. Arrays in JSON can easily be identified by presence of colon character, presence of round brackets, presence of curly brackets, presence of square brackets. The correct answer is presence of square brackets. Objects can contain data as list of values, data as name-value pairs, data in numeric form only, data in string form only. The correct answer is data as name-value pairs.